Go to the CCM Library homepage and scroll down to Articles and Databases. Click on the link to Academic Search Premier and enter your CCM username and password if prompted. Click on Choose Databases and select a few other databases, such as Greenfile or Masterfile Elite. Click on OK, and you will now search multiple databases. Type in your keyword and search. On the left side, you can limit to full text and limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journals and limit to the publication date find an article of interest, and you can click on the PDF full text, which will allow you to then print or email or download the document.